Turn on machine. First click on origin. The machine will move to the rear left corner. Click the rotation key to rotate the cutting head. Find a suitable position and remove the tool screw. Fix the tool chuck first. Rotating cutter head direction. Observe the orientation of the blade. The cutting edge faces the screw. Tighten the two screws. Clamp the blade. Click the number behind the W axis, and the cutting head will automatically return to the W0 position. W0 position, make sure the blade is facing the rear of the machine.